students, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about BDS second year books. Make sure you watch this video till the end for better understanding. Okay, so the subjects for second year BDS are: first is pharmacology, which is the study of how a drug affects a biological system and how your body responds to a drug. Second is pathology, which is further divided into two: microbiology and histopathology. Histopathology is the diagnosis and the study of diseases of the tissues, and it involves the examination of a biopsy or a surgical specimen. Whereas microbiology is the study of a microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, etc. Third we have is community dentistry, which is a general subject for second year BDS students. It is related to good oral hygiene maintenance and how to spread health awareness among public and populations through organized community efforts. Lastly, we have dental materials, which is defined as the study of composition and properties of several types of materials such as colloids, plastics, resins, and metal alloys, which are used in dentistry in order to take an impression or restore teeth or duplicate dentation. Okay, so for pharmacology, you can get Lipincoid, which is your main textbook as well in many of the colleges. Lipincoid is an amazing book since it contains illustrations within it, which are quite helpful for clearing out your concepts. Second we have is Kedzang. This book can be used as a reference book. It contains a lot of definitions within it and important tables and chart which might be helpful. Okay, so this is a short book for pharmacology, but I won't recommend you to study it directly. Once you clear out your concepts from your main course book, then you can use this book as a quick review guide. Next is pathology, and as I told you earlier, it is divided into two: histopathology and microbiology. For histopathology, the book you can get is Robbins. Since it is your main textbook, so you have to get it as it contains all the important information which is required for your exam. And you can easily clear your concepts from this book. Don't get scared by the size of the book since you are not going to cover up a whole book as a dental student, but important chapters within it. Moreover, the diagrams within this book are really important as they will come in your auspice stations. Second book is for microbiology. It is by Ved and Levinson. This is your main textbook. It's an amazing book as you can easily understand after a one read. The diagrams within this book are also important as they always come to appear in your auspice stations. The summary at the end of the book for every chapter is really helpful too, and which you can go through for a quick review. So this was all about pathology subject. Let's move to another subject. Now coming to community dentistry. In this subject you have two main textbooks. One is by Bert, second is by Sobin Peter, and make sure you get latest editions for both of them. It is important that you give both the books a read side by side for better understanding about the subject. Lastly, we have is dental materials. The main textbook you have for this subject is by McCabe. This is an interesting book. You definitely have to give this book a read as an exam BCQs will come from this book word to word. Second book is Essentials of Dental Materials, which is by Uzaifa and Hasham Aleem. This book is a short book for McCabe. This is an amazing book as you can easily memorize the chapters within McCabe. So I will suggest you to get this book. So this was all about BDS second year books. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries related to dentistry, you can comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.